Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this episode we will reveal to you the most profitable niches in affiliate marketing. Stay focused as there is a huge earning potential with the information we will share with you. In the past few decades, the world has evolved. The digital landscape has accelerated affiliate marketing efforts in a wide range of profitable affiliate marketing niches. Affiliate commissions per sale are increasing in a variety of ways as partner programs' product offerings expand. In order to determine which affiliate marketing niches are most lucrative, let's take a look at the most profitable affiliate marketing niches. What are the best affiliate marketing niches to focus on? In order to find out what's hot and where you can make money, you can use a couple of different methods. Here are a few pointers to help you make the most of your niche market, whether it's through the use of search engines, monitoring trends, or something else entirely. Perform a search on relevant keywords. Using search engines, you can find out what is happening in different niches by searching for keywords that are relevant to your specific niche. If you put in the time and effort, you'll be able to figure out which markets to target and when to run product promotions. Calculate the fees you'll be charged. As with any other business, you need to build an audience and promote a company's products to succeed in affiliate marketing. Tracking software like Post Affiliate Pro can help you and the affiliate merchant figure out a commission plan when you sign up as an affiliate. As you know, the more you spread the word about the products, the more money you and the company will make. Keep tabs on the market. You can use a wide range of analytical tools and systems available on the internet to find out where the wind is blowing in your industry. Focus on the big shifts that will have an impact on your audience and industry rather than following trends. Or you can keep an eye on your marketing statistics to see if there are any changes in consumer behavior. Use the seasons to your advantage. During particular seasons, trends rise and fall. You should keep an eye out for changes in the demand for your niche. For example, if you enjoy writing travel blogs, you know when the most and least tourists visit. Is it better to promote the product by posting links to attractive discounts during off-seasons? It wouldn't make sense to write about winter fashion in the middle of spring on a blog. What are the best paying affiliate marketing specialties to focus on? What foodstuffs do the spring and autumn seasons do best in terms of crop production? Consider the products and the best times to promote them in order to earn the most money. Remember that blogging and making YouTube videos about the success of your farming products will help you build a larger audience and earn more money as an affiliate. Travel. In spite of the epidemic, many influencers have been on the road. As a result of fewer lines and cheaper flights, more people are traveling than ever before, which has resulted in a $7 trillion annual revenue boost for the travel industry. In order to increase affiliate sales and commissions, travel-related influencers and affiliates should post affiliate links and codes on social media platforms like Instagram and blogs. This will prove that this affiliate program is mutually beneficial. This year will see an increase in travel and the need for affiliates, which will lead to an increase in affiliate sales. If you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, you should focus on travel. Technology. In today's world, where would we be without technology? Because so many aspects of our lives have gone digital, the technology sector is ripe for affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing is now used by 81% of US advertisers and 84% of US publishers as a result of technological advancements. YouTube reviews of digital or physical products like musical instruments or gadgets may be popular among your ideal customers. It is common for reviewers of a company's product to provide their subscribers with an affiliate link that offers them a discount they can't get elsewhere. Similar to other lucrative niches, technology blogs can be an effective affiliate marketing strategy. When bloggers, YouTubers, or any other affiliates create an affiliate code for their subscribers to use, it's easy to see the possible commission rate you, the affiliate, can receive. Health. The health industry is the second most lucrative affiliate marketing sector. It is estimated that the global health and wellness market will be worth nearly $7 trillion by 2025, up from the current value of around $4.9 trillion in 2019. In a nutshell, people want to be healthier and live longer, so they're willing to spend money to achieve that goal. A popular form of alternative medicine for affiliate partners to profit from in the past was nutraceuticals and dietary supplements, such as anti-aging creams. A growing number of businesses have contacted health-related podcasters, YouTubers, and bloggers as a way to grow and succeed in the industry. In addition, the audience will be able to follow along with you as you explain and demonstrate various aspects of health. Because of the pandemic and a rise in misinformation and distrust of doctors, anti-vaxxers are turning to products like ivermectin because these podcasters are simply talking about the products, rather than actually prescribing them. Therefore, promoting health products can lead to profit opportunities. As a result of the development of fitness COVID-19, the fitness industry now has more room to develop and expand digitally. This lucrative affiliate marketing niche grew as more and more people chose to work from home, giving rise to new fitness fads that can be capitalized on through online videos. Fitness trainers have been able to sell workout plans and develop mobile apps by leveraging online video platforms like YouTube and social media platforms like Instagram. A home trainer for digital workers was therefore quickly developed by the affiliate marketing industry. Businesses' monthly payments for fitness products and the monthly payment plan can both generate recurring commissions for affiliates. Affiliates can earn recurring commissions from this strategy, which helps businesses achieve their goals. Increasing your affiliate marketing revenue will be easier if you have a steady stream of high-quality home videos to offer. Gaming. By 2023, the gaming industry is expected to have a global revenue of over $200 billion, with a market size of over 3 billion players. In 2020 and 2021, the market generated over $175 billion. Source: the gaming market is expanding its audience beyond traditional consoles and game apps thanks to AR, VR, mobile devices, and the metaverse, a $1 trillion market opportunity. Another area where this evergreen niche is expanding is the Olympic Games. It is only a matter of time before the International Olympic Committee officially recognizes esports as an Olympic sport. The gaming market has expanded far beyond consoles and PCs, allowing for more companies to set up affiliate programs and more revenue to be generated. This is a great niche for any affiliate to work in because the demographics cover a wide range of people of all ages and backgrounds. Food. Many people's lifestyles changed dramatically during and after World War II. The popularity of recipes and cookbooks for various types of healthy food was rapidly increasing on social media, making this an ideal affiliate marketing niche. Roughly 2/3 of Americans cut back on their meat consumption because of the pandemic's higher costs. At the same time, the market for plant-based meat alternatives has grown by over 39%. Baking sourdough at home used to be very popular. More and more food critics and bloggers are taking advantage of this lucrative affiliate marketing niche, creating YouTube videos about everything from vegan dishes to hot sauce trials to cooking utensils. Even food styling has risen in popularity. If you're looking for fresh ingredients and step-by-step instructions on how to cook like a chef, there are a number of companies you can contact. Promoting affiliate links in YouTube and blog posts is an effective way to drive organic traffic to your website and increase your revenue share as an affiliate in this market. Building wealth, how to make money online niche. In the wake of the pandemic, new business opportunities emerged. Many people are putting their money into the creation of goods or the trading of stocks and cryptocurrencies. The financial affiliate marketing niche has seen a rise in the number of people creating their own products using their creative side. Third-party marketplaces and print-on-demand services have aided in the growth of e-commerce. Affiliates should look into the market for custom products, such as clothing, jewelry, and some collectibles. With the rise of e-commerce, many people have also begun to trade. Having information about NFTs and Bitcoin available to those who work from home is a great benefit for those who want to make money online. People are drawn to binary option trading because it simplifies the trading process to a simple yes or no choice that makes it easier for newcomers to sign up for the platform. Fashion. Affiliate marketing in the fashion industry is expected to be a highly profitable affiliate marketing niche in 2021, with affiliate programs for more than 80% of the world's brands and nearly 25% of all affiliate programs in this industry. As e-commerce has grown, so has the need for fashion affiliate programs to tap into the market and bring in traffic. Affiliate marketers can reach a wider audience by promoting their products through social media platforms such as banner ads and blog posts. Those who have a small social media following of between 10,000 and 100,000 have a great opportunity to enter the affiliate business. Recently, micro-influencers have revolutionized the fashion industry because they've shown that it's not just for the rich and famous, but that anyone can look good in it. With the help of micro-influencers, you may be able to connect with your followers on a deeper level, which could allow you to promote brands previously associated with wealthy consumers by portraying them as more accessible. Users must click on links or coupons posted on social media in order for affiliate commissions to begin benefiting you and your affiliate merchant. Providing discount codes for affiliates will increase the number of sales they generate. Over $1 billion is generated annually by the largest coupon affiliate websites. Think about how fast their annual growth rate is. 12.35% of affiliates make at least $20,000 USD per year. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If enjoyed our content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In our next episodes, we might reveal to you other profitable niches in affiliate marketing.